guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we are trying out some of the new collection, some of the new things from one of my favorite makeup brands, and that is Urban Decay. Urban Decay recently released the Stoned Vibes collection, and this is the gorgeous eyeshadow palette that I picked up today curbside at Ulta Beauty. The collection included this eyeshadow palette. It included 4 new shades of their 24/7 Glide On eye pencils. They released 4 different shades of lip gloss, and they released a new highlighter. All of that is in the Stoned Vibes collection from Urban Decay Cosmetics. Right now, it is available online and in store at Ulta Beauty and urbandecay.com. This collection is going to arrive at Sephora, Macy's, pretty much all Urban Decay retailers in the next few weeks. So definitely be on the lookout for that. In addition to this stunning eyeshadow palette, I also decided to pick up the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil in the shade Raw Energy. I love these eye pencils. These are some of my favorite eye pencils, and I have quite a few in my stash. With my order came 2 free products. I got a product I haven't used in years, and this is one that I used to use all the time. I got the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the original formula, and they also gave me another 24/7 Glide On eye pencil in the shade 0. I needed the shade. I was already running low, so I'm really happy to have these 2 freebies from Urban Decay and Ulta Beauty in my stash. I also decided to pick up the new mascara that Urban Decay came out with, and this is the Lash Freak Mascara. I went with the mini size just because you guys know I have a lot of makeup. I have a lot of mascara in my stash. So finishing a tube of mascara, it's gonna take me a long time. I've told you guys this before. Whenever I can get my hands on mini size makeup products, sign me up. I am all for it. This is a Stoned Vibes eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. Look at that, guys. Look at those stones on there. This reminds me of those little amethyst stones. I don't know if you ever collected them as a child. I know I collected them growing up. Little amethyst rocks that I would get at the museums whenever I would go visit, and I'm sure they're around my house somewhere. When I took it out of the box and I saw this gorgeous packaging, that's the first thing that it reminded me of being young and collecting these beautiful rocks and stones. This is gorgeous. Like, this is really, really pretty packaging. This is something that you're definitely gonna want to display. And then, ta-da! Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous eyeshadows in there. You do get 12 different shadows. There are 4 mattes, and there are 8 shimmers / duochrome. There is no pressed glitter in this. None whatsoever. Those are buttery smooth shimmers in there, guys. And I know because I've already swatched this palette, which I of course will be inserting those photos a little bit later in this video. For me, the formula of these shimmers feels really different from the formulas that Urban Decay has done in the past. It feels really creamy, buttery, smooth, as do the mattes. The mattes swatched pretty well. And I will say that this shade right here, which is the shade Third Eye, right here, to me, that one came off more of maybe like a satin. I noticed a little bit of sheen to it. Not like a shimmer, nothing like that, but I did notice a little shine to it. So that's just one thing from the first impressions from my initial swatching of this palette. And of course you do get, let me take this out, you do get a little eyeshadow brush, and most Urban Decay palettes do come with an eyeshadow brush, which if you use it, great. If you don't, no big deal, but at least you have something there in case, you know, you forget your brushes. Maybe you're on the go, you're on vacation, and you take this palette with you and you forget all your makeup brushes. At least you have this one in the palette. Guys, the palette retails for $54 on the Ulta Beauty website, and of course on the Urban Decay Cosmetics website. I ordered it online and then I did curbside. I went to go pick it up this morning. So guys, I'm really excited for this collection. I mean, just looking at this, like, this is beautiful. This is really something that if you like to display your palettes, if you like to display your makeup, definitely you're gonna want to keep this out because it's really, really nice. And I like that it's not too big. Like, here's my hand, and then that's the size of the palette. So I think it's the perfect size. I just think it's perfect, but we still need to play with it. So right now, first impressions, I'm loving it. I'm going to be creating 2 looks for you guys using this stunner, and of course incorporating the mascara, the eye primer, and the 2 eyeliners that I got. And guys, I pretty much have a full face of Urban Decay going on, so everything that I have on, everything that I'm going to use will be linked in the description box down below. Some of them might be affiliate links, so if you do end up purchasing, I want to thank you so much for supporting my little channel. Let's get started, guys. Let me first take you through some of the swatches I did, then we'll do the 2 looks, and then I'll pop back on and give you guys my final thoughts on this new Urban Decay Stoned Vibes collection. If you want to see how this new, beautiful, stunning palette performs, keep on watching. Alright guys, so let me give you all my final thoughts on the new Urban Decay Stone Vibes eyeshadow palette, as well as the new 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. So I think by now you know I love the packaging. I love everything about it. I think it's just a beautifully made eyeshadow palette. And look at that. It's like that 3D effect on there. It's just a really, really pretty palette. It's not that heavy either. I mean, there is a little bit of weight to it, but it's not to where it's going to be tiring out your arm, your hand, or anything like that. And I like the size of it. I showed you guys earlier. Here's the palm of my hand, just a little bit bigger than that. And I think it's just a beautifully made eyeshadow palette. When you get inside, you do have a full-size mirror and it does fold pretty much all the way back. That's what it looks like fully open. So I think that's a good angle for you guys to work with there. And then of course you do have these gorgeous, gorgeous shades, guys. Like I mean, they're all like duochrome. They're all duochrome, and I don't know why I didn't really notice that when I was outside swatching. Maybe it was just the way the light was hitting it, but all of the ones that I used, and I could really tell from swatching it on my finger and then applying it to the eyelid, and maybe it's the lights in here, but I mean, they just all have these beautiful shifts of color in them, and the shimmers feel really creamy and smooth. And I like the formula. I like the formula a lot. Most of them, guys, work perfectly fine just with a finger application. And that's exactly what Urban Decay recommends for these shadows. They do recommend using your fingertips to apply. They also say you can use a damp makeup brush, which I love to do. For me, that just helps me get more accurate placement from my shimmer shades, especially like right here in the inner corner. That's why you saw me using my pinky from time to time, because I was just really trying to place it like right in here. But guys, don't feel that just because you have to go in with a damp makeup brush that the product is any less quality or anything like that. That's with all eyeshadows, and to me that's also a personal preference. Some of you may like to do that, maybe that's the only way that you apply shimmers, and some of you may not, and it's just all going to be how you apply your makeup and what kind of intensity you're looking for, because when you do go in with a damp brush, you do get more intensity, more payoff from that shade. I also thought, guys, that the matte shade, they blended out really well, really nicely, really buildable. The palette is nothing less of what I expected. If anything, it exceeds my expectations. I'm just blown away with the formula of these shimmer shades. I mean, these are gorgeous duochromes. And I know that in some of the pictures, especially the ones that I saw online on social media, they almost look like pressed glitter, but they're not. To me, there's no glitter whatsoever. It's just beautiful, beautiful, soft shimmer shades. And guys, no fallout. No fallout. Look at that, guys. There was kick up in the pan, you know, but like the typical amount of kick up that you would expect from an eyeshadow palette, from shimmer shades. I mean, nothing excessive. And I've told you guys this, I'm like a broken record with this. Kick up in the pan doesn't really bother me. And the fact that I didn't get any fallout under my eyes, that's even a bigger bonus. The Glide On Eye Pencil performed exactly the way I expected, exactly the same way that all my other 24/7 pencils perform. This is the shade Raw Energy, and I am wearing it on this eye on my lower lash line, the waterline on my lower lash line. So I really enjoyed this. I wanted a new purple shade to add to my stash. So when I saw that they were releasing 4 different eye pencils and there was a purple one in the mix, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it to accompany this palette. I'm really happy I did that. Guys, the entire collection is available right now for purchase on the Ulta Beauty website, as well as the Urban Decay website, and in stores at Ulta Beauty. Do what I did, guys. Order it online from Ulta. I think there's even like a $10 off coupon that they're sending out, and then go pick it up at your local store. That is exactly what I did. That's what I've been doing with all my Ulta Beauty orders, those that I can pick up in store, and it's just so, so convenient. Oh, guys, one more thing I want to say. The Lash Freak Mascara, pretty good. I'm impressed. I really like the way my lashes look. I mean, they were already long to begin with. Now they're just like extremely, extremely long. They're separated. They look full. I'm happy with it. And I don't know why, like, why is it green? Is it green because the formula is green, or is it green because it's just not completely coated on the wand? I don't know, guys. Educate me on this. This is my first time using this mascara. Total first impressions with this, but I like it. I'm just not sure what that green stuff is. So if you know what it is, leave it in the comments down below and tell me what you thought about this new Urban Decay Stone Vibes collection. Is it on your list of things to buy? Maybe you are like me and picked it up this morning. Definitely leave me all of your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys. I want to say a big welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here, and I really do hope you're enjoying my content. That's it, guys. That is it for today's video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.